Speaker to report to the House any petition other than those presented by a member. In this regard, honorable members, I wish to report to the House that my office has received a petition from one Mr. Bob Ndolo, the Executive Officer of the Bridget Connect Consultancy, regarding the banning of TikTok in Kenya. The petitioner states that TikTok is a social media platform that allows users to create and share short videos. Honorable members, the petition decries that while it has gained popularity among the youth in Kenya, the content that is being shared on the platform is inappropriate, thus promoting violence, explicit sexual content, hate speech, vulgar language, offensive behavior, which is a serious threat to the cultural and religious values of Kenya. The petition avers that in Kenya, the internet application is not regulated by the Communications Authority of Kenya, leading to the failure to remove or block content deemed to be inappropriate or offensive. Honorable members, the petitioner further avers that TikTok has been implicated in several privacy scandals over the past years. For instance, in 2019, the app was fined $5.7 million by the United States of America Federal Trade Commission for illegally collecting personal information from children under the age of 13 by collecting data such as names, email address, and locations from young users without their parents' consent, thus violating the children's online privacy. Honorable members, the petition alleges that TikTok collects a significant amount of data on its users, including information about their device, location, and browsing history, and sharing with third-party companies without users' consent. The petitioner is concerned that if the platform is not prohibited in Kenya, the app's addictive nature would lead to a decline in academic performance and ascend in mental health issues such as depression, anxiety, and sleep deprivation among the youth. Honorable members, the petitioner thus prays that this House intervenes and takes immediate action to safeguard Kenyans from the negative effects arising from the use of the platform and altogether ban TikTok in Kenya. Honorable members, having established that the matter raised in the petition is well within the authority of this House, and further that the matters raised in the petition are not pending before any court of law, constitutional or legal body, I hereby commit the petition to the Public Petitions Committee for consideration pursuant to Standing Order 208A. The committee is required to consider the petition and report its findings to the House and to the petitioner